Sambonani? Kunjani? Kiapila. The first track I'm going to be performing is dedicated to my wife, Mazondi Nondabagakash from Swaimani, and it's called Praise Poem for the Woman of Swaimani, and you're going to really enjoy it. This is the DJ. These are the queens of my blood. Their mother's photos of marble strengthens a nation and its soft simplicity. These are the queens of my blood. They wash their bodies in the morning with sightless hands that sense history and daily struggle. These are the queens of my blood. They nurse peoples and their breasts nuzzle on the milk of struggle, and the marrow of history permeates their bones. These are the queens of my blood. They sing away pain in their rich voices, crying, memory transcending their physical youth, knowing pain knows no boundaries. These are the queens of my blood. I know that this world order will be overthrown, and the children of the dispossessed will claim their heritage. These are the queens of my blood. Their hair comes like wire with the electricity of my hands. Their eyes sing daggers in my poised veins. I say, blessed are the daughters of Swaimani. Their beauty is my poem. They live in these praises that circle our sounds and lies on our skins. These are the queens of my blood. You remember struggling your stubborn walk to find your strong legs in the cold morning when you're crossing Vinny Hill and the wind cries in the torn valleys of your thighs. These are the queens of my blood. Your heroes amid your struggle in everyday life in the post-modern world. Your existence trembles voice between silence and praise. These are the queens of my blood. You walk forward, slowly confidence in the early morning. Daughters of sport, voice are high, and your dress is green as the first wave. As I go past, I say, blessed are the daughters of Swaimani, for these are the queens of my blood. The next track is dedicated to all the beautiful sisters out there, all the beautiful women of KZN, and it's called Sisters of My Poetry. These are the sisters of my poetry. Let me stop for a moment, my blood cries out. Stand a moment here and watch the woman of KZN melt into their deep rhythm. Watch the swing of their thighs, jazz sways in their hips. Potent thundering longing, daughters of our potent music, daughters of the unfound, universe of sound behind sound. Follow rhythmic their movements, follow syllabic their voices, stitch through the metallic air. I said, follow rhythmic their movements, follow syllabic their voices, stitch through the metallic air. I see mountains in their faces as they escape the loaded phrases of gendered womanhood and blood, but not simply alive. You my poetry. These are the sisters of my poetry. Yeah. Vibrating against oncoming nights and the journey home and beating groove of Texas. I say, woman, 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 you're beautiful. Not one of you is the same, but the sky claims us all one. This moment in history, dying as we are born, breathless. Woman, 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 you are beautiful. Yeah, you are beautiful. Even if the time closes in upon us, even if the steel pain sucks hungry at ourselves, knowing the root of desire is separation. These are the sisters of my poetry. 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 Yeah.
All the best Mahara. You only get it from Raruka Records. H1 yeah, kanjani nje. Simtshelile nje. Ngishilo nje. Manje ngithi nanti intokazi la uKhayili uzobe hamba nentokazi Layla. Uzobe hamba nentokazi la and bazonethulela okunye okumnandi futhi engiphethe khali awukawenza into odume ngayo.
Geometry, a beautiful love poem.
I-geometry sesingena esikoleni abafundile bazokhumbula leyo nto geometry. Babathathe wena khali.
Thank you, Layla, for coming and joining me now. It's an honor to share the stage with you.
Thank you.